Topic is Object Snap or Osnap. Shortcut key for the Object Snap is F3. To switch on, switch off the Object Snap. It displays the points on the object such as midpoint, nearest point, end point, etc. which make the drafting and drawing process effectively. Let's see. Line. I have to draw the circle end point of this line. Circle. If I move the cursor near to this line point, the green color rectangle symbol indicates the endpoint snap. Okay. Again, I have to draw the circle midpoint of this line. Circle, but it only shows the endpoint symbols, not the midpoint symbol. Midpoint snap. Let's see how to solve this problem. So hold the control button in the keyboard, right click, choose snap setting. Draft setting dialog box will be highlighted. Here, check in the midpoint. OK. Now, circle. Green color triangle indicates the midpoint of the snap. Thank you.